Hey, it's Alex with Lover Fighter Writer, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a gift idea generator using an AI copywriting software such as ClosersCopy. And so I thought that a good way to say happy holidays to the community would be to show everyone how to create a random gift generator, or not really random, it's interest based. And this is a pretty cool functionality of AI copywriting softwares, is that they're really good at expanding on ideas. Like, we have frameworks that can generate ideas for blogs, and we have frameworks that can generate subtopics for subheadings for blogs. So I figured, we can use the same kind of AI power to brainstorm gift ideas for people based on their interests, and it works really well. So you can see right here, this is how I made it. I've got a name, I've got interests, and I just put some related interests, and then we've got gift ideas, and I just listed a bunch of things. I just Googled best gardening gift ideas, best cooking gift ideas, best baking gift ideas, best permaculture gift ideas. Googled all those things, and I took a few ideas from each one. And then I also just came up with a few random things like a chess set and the complete works of William Shakespeare. Those are not related to anything, but I put them in there anyways, just so it would come up with some random ideas as well. And I've got a second example here, and then I've got the input fields. And that's what the inside of it looks like. And so I'm going to go ahead and share that with the community. And so now you can come in here and click on Browse Community Frameworks. And if we search Alex Gift, oh, that didn't work. Okay, we'll just search Gift. There we go. Yeah, so that's how you can find it, except instead of an unshare button right here, you'll have a add to library button. And now let's take a quick look at it. So I just put in a random sample here, but we can do something a bit more fun, maybe. Let's try Homer Simpson. Likes donuts, beer, football. Can't think of anything else, so we will run it. And just as a quick note, I am putting periods at the end of the inputs for this one. I don't have to do this with most of my frameworks, but I found that this one in particular, it was always adding more interests to the end of the list if I didn't do that. So if you want it to add more interests to the list, then you can leave the period off. But if you want it to just keep the interests that you use or that you input, then put a period at the end. All right, so we've got gift ideas for Homer: donuts, donut maker, beer, a football, beer, football, donuts. That's not very creative at all. Oh, here we go. An oven, coffee maker, creamer, creamer, a copy of the Book of Mormon, a copy of the Bible. Well, most of those weren't very good ideas, so let's run that one more time. Maybe it's being weird because it's a known character. Up till now, I've just been testing it with an apron, a barbell, a treadmill, an alarm clock. Yeah, it seems like it's suggesting things based on knowing who Homer Simpson is. So let's just be more random about it. We'll do gift ideas for Mark, and Mark will be into kayaking. I used that one before. Homemade wine. Tennis. And family photos. All right, some more different interests and not a known character. Gift ideas for Mark. Kayaks, tennis rackets, a new camera, cameras, pens and paper, family photos, plasticine, a hobby horse, and the complete works of William Shakespeare. Gift ideas for Mark. A kayak, photography equipment, tennis balls, pineapple, sparkling water. Ooh, I bet Mark likes sparkling water. Oh, here we go. This is some good stuff. Backpack, hiking boots. Mark seems like the type of person that might enjoy going for a good hike. A picnic table. Who doesn't need a picnic table? So you can have a lot of fun with this. Really simple framework. So it's in the community library if you want to use mine, and if you want to make your own, it's really simple. Like I said, just name, interests, and then gift ideas that are related to the interests. And if you want it to have a bit of a random spin, then put some random ones in there as well. If you don't, then just focus on stuff that's actually interest based. And I'm sure that there's lots of ways you could tweak this too. So let me know if you make like a modified version that does something really interesting. Anyways, I know it might be a little bit too late in the season for most of you to do your holiday shopping based on this, and I don't know why you would want to listen to an AI anyways. But happy holidays, and I hope that you enjoyed this video.